Guys that want to ride it, follow me. I'm going to hit the jump and then I'll wait for everybody to...
I'll wait for everybody else. You want to do something different. Make your last run, dude.
I'll drop in towards the end. I'm cruising.
Class is dismissed. School is out of session. However you want to say it. The 2-day race camp was done and it was time for a party lap. I was really looking forward to applying all my skills on the trail, and it's always an interesting kind of endeavor to take all this knowledge and try to start formulating it into skills that don't require you to think. And so this was a lap on Talladega, and the whole group was just having fun. We had been through this 2-day camp and it was time to let loose and just give her a go. So we meet up at the bottom of Talladega, and one of the interesting things is Dak and Aaron are just such, you know, regular individuals, cool folks, and so we were doing this party lap, and you know, Dak was very intentional about like, hey, don't let me jump out front and watch how fast I can go. I'm gonna get in the middle and I'm gonna have fun. And so we got together right after this big jump here and sort of sorted out the pecking order, and it was a little bit intimidating because Dakotah actually had jumped in right behind me, and so my whole kind of thought process was like, oh my gosh, I hope I don't make him crash, and I hope I don't use my brakes too much, since that was one of the skills that I've been working on in the clinic, was just not over braking and when to let off the brakes. So it was pretty funny that that's how it ended up playing out. But yeah, fun times, great camp, great people. Really enjoyed Aaron and Dakotah pouring themselves into us. I think they're doing another camp coming up, and I would highly encourage anybody to do it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.
good? GoPro, stop recording.